Hi everybody, welcome. It is day 9 of Treasure Trovember. If you are just finding Trovember, I encourage you to go watch day 1, our welcome video, and then catch up. Each daily prompt is a very short video. You can complete the challenge in 5 to 10 minutes a day. It's really meant to be an easy, creative challenge just to keep you going for the month of November. If you're brand new, you'll want to register, and there's a link below. Register for free, get a download, our guide to 30 tips for 30 days, some tips from previous participants. This is our 5th year doing Trovember. This is our first year over on YouTube, and so welcome to all of the new people that are finding Collage-Lab and Treasure Trovember. I am Kelly. I am the founder of Collage-Lab. I host classes and a membership online, and I started doing Treasure Trovember 5 years ago, and it's a hit. I think you'll enjoy it. So day 9, the prompt, that's what you're here for, not to hear me talk. The prompt today is add a toy or game. Add a toy or game. It could be a game piece or something like that. You could draw a toy or a game, or you could find an image in a book or a magazine. However you'd like to interpret toy or game, and add that to your collage today, and then come back and see us tomorrow. Thanks.